What's up, YouTube? I'm back again. Here go two more Hoovers. To my left, we got the Hoover Elite 2. To my right, we got the Hoover Elite 1. We're going to go ahead and run them both. Man, I felt bad because like 2 days ago, somebody inboxed me about... So pretty much, they didn't know that Walmart stopped carrying those Bissels over, damn near 15 years ago. And he asked me, he was like, does Walmart still sell those? And I was like, no, they stopped making those a long time ago. And he was like, so how do you find all yours? I'm like, well, you got Facebook Market, you got Wish, you got Goodwills, pawn shops, DAVs, eBay, if I haven't said that already. You can still find them. Like, they're really hard to come by. But if I can find them, so can you. It's all about time and effort, man. That's all. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and run these two for you. We're running Hoover Elite 1 first. And now for the Hoover Elite 2. Man, they run so smooth. They run so smooth, man. And I have to say this, so don't take it personal. If you're new to my channel, my vacuums are not for sale. I'm gonna say that one more time. My vacuums are not for sale. It's a collection. You're not supposed to sell your collection. As a real collector, I'm very serious about what I do. With that being said, they're not for sale. I done had a few of y'all hit me up like, hey man, let me get that Dirt Devil so-and-so, or hey man, let me get that singer, woo, 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 woo. It's not for sale, man. So don't take it personal. They're not for sale. With that being said, please go ahead, watch, like, subscribe, only if you want to. Till then, I'll see y'all next time, man. Peace. I holla.